real life. I have not unpacked from Santa Barbara yet. Literally. It's all still full. Hey guys, it's the Kellys. I'm Lauren.
And I'm Brian.
And we're going to Phoenix tomorrow, as you guys saw in our last video. Actually, by the time this airs, it'll be in the air. So this is going to be one of my packing videos again, because we've gotten a lot of feedback and it's really helped you guys. So I'm really excited about that. Literally, so many people have been like, oh my gosh, you helped me pack.
Right, well I know you helped me out. Like, I mean, I can get my stuff there and back for the most part, but my clothes are very wrinkled.
The difference between this packing video and other packing videos is that today I am packing for myself, for Brian, and for Nolan. Nolan is a child and can't pack. Brian is a man-child and doesn't know how to fold clothes.
Not very well.
And yeah, so I made a list. This is my list. This is Brian and Nolan's list. It's partially highlighted because we're still in the middle of packing. My goal is going to be to only bring 2 suitcases.
I think it's
not 3. So yes, I do have a packing list, and I do have 3 color coordinated packing cubes. So Brian is going to be blue. Blue for Brian.
B.
I am going to be the beautiful, bright, neon, crazy colors that I've been in all the other videos. And Nolan's gonna be light pink because that's his favorite color.
Not joking, people.
It's really his favorite color. So I did pack a small and a medium of each one. We probably don't even need that much. We are literally only going for a weekend, but we like to be prepared. It's really our first time going out that way.
And it's gonna be so hot that...
It's gonna be hot, but it's not gonna be humid. So it's kind of a different heat than we're used to. So we're bringing a couple changes of clothes and everything just in case. But first, we have to run to Target.
Let's go get some things.
We need some last minute things. Let's go! Go, 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 go! Perfect. We need those. What kind of snacks do you want?
The kind that tastes good.
Okay, we'll get those next.
All right. This is the most important part of packing. Getting the right snacks can make or break your flight or your trip. We have to deliberate here because sometimes we know what we want, sometimes we don't. Today we really aren't sure what we want, so we have to go.
It all looks good. The candy aisle. Look. What about Nolan? We're gonna get peach rings. That's his favorite.
Ghostbusters.
You gonna bring that to Phoenix?
I don't think they come in my size.
One size fits most.
Do we have to buy it and wear it
I
out?
think I got the kid's size. Okay. We're ready to pack. Okay, I changed my mind. I was gonna pack for myself, Brian, and Nolan. I'm still gonna pack for Nolan because he's at school, but I think I'm gonna make you pack yourself.
Is this like a Squid Game? Do I die if I don't win?
No, I'll let you live because
Oh,
I love you. But let's challenge Brian because, you know, let's see what he's learned. And if he does it well, he's going to look great in Phoenix. If he doesn't do it well, it's comedic value.
Thanks, babe.
And let's put him to the test. Okay. your bin, Brian, is your plain outfit.
That's one.
All your socks, underwear, and bathing suits.
It's like 4, but I'm gonna count it as 2.
Which should go in this one. And then just your normal outfits that should go in this one.
Normal outfits.
But, you know what? You don't have as much stuff to pack as Nolan and I do. So, you're not gonna use this one. You have to put it all in here. Can you do it?
Maybe.
I think you can.
We'll
Okay.
try.
Anyway, you ready? Pack.
Sure. You did not even say ready.
I said ready.
I didn't say ready back. That's how games work. You're squid gaming me. So, this is gonna be my plain shirt. It's my favorite shirt. It's gonna be my shorts.
So the reason I'm making Brian put everything into one, Brian is the type of guy that does one outfit per day. And I guess that's kind of normal for guys, maybe. It's not normal for girls, and it's not normal for Nolan. So Brian will just wake up, put on one outfit, and wear it all day. Me, it's like, okay, on Saturday, we're going to be by the pool all day. We're going to a desert botanical garden, and then we're going for a hike. So that's 3 different outfits for me, honestly. So I don't know. I have to pack more clothes.
They say fashionable, I say divas. But they look good, so hold on. So babe, we reached a milestone. So yes.
We did reach a milestone. I'm not mad about it as you think you would, you know, from my actions. I was just trying to squish it down to compress it.
I was
Yes,
scared.
we reached a milestone. It may sound stupid to any of you other YouTubers out there, but we reached 100 subscribers!
And not just 100, we blew it out of the water.
Over 100. I'm done, by the way. I win.
Is this where I'm looking for the sniper to take me out?
This is my plain outfit. But yeah, we now have like 107 subscribers, which is so cool. I can't believe 107 people subscribe to watch us talk twice a week. That's really awesome.
Yeah, they take
Brian, you're doing so well. You still have your bathing suit in there. Lay it flat on top.
I got it, babe. We got it. It's gonna go. It's gonna fit.
Oh my god. You guys, this is making my stomach hurt just watching him pack. What is that? What did you...
Don't worry about it. It's gonna fit.
If Brian's really wrinkled in Phoenix, you know why.
So my rule of thumb is always like, I'm gonna get it to fit. Don't worry about it. Like, it always fits. It's just a matter of does it look good or not.
You're gonna get caught in the zipper.
That's
Usually
a
I
problem.
pack for him on the way there and he packs on the way back. Because let's face it, on the way back you don't care. Because you're just gonna throw all your clothes in the laundry. Okay, you're gonna break the table. Yours is not a compression one. You don't have to hit it.
God, just get
Yours
it flat.
is a normal packing cube and mine is a compression. I guess we should look at the size.
Yeah.
It's about the same. Yesterday got a little crazy with football and everything, but I'm here now because I'm going to pack Nolan's stuff in his pink compression. So we just have everything from the packing list for that. All right, so all of Nolan's fit in this one, and actually I think it's the same size as mine. Let's see. Yes, same size as mine. All right, now we'll just put it all into the luggage. I will be bringing my Beis, beautiful Beis bag. I did review it when I unboxed it, so go ahead and watch that if you haven't yet. This is seriously my favorite suitcase. I definitely love it more than the away one that Brian and Nolan will be packing on in this trip. I seriously recommend it to everyone. The only hard part is they can't keep stuff in stock. One of my friends really wanted to buy one, and by the time she went to check out, it was gone. So that kind of sucks. Okay, so today I'm going to put the packing cubes in on the compression side because I have a lot of like loosey-goosey stuff that I'll put on the zipper side. So let's put this one down. This is the suitcase for Brian and Nolan. This is the away bag. This is the one. It does expand and I love it. I reviewed it not too long ago. Got it right before my last trip. Brought it on my last trip. Don't love it as much as the Beis bag, but it's still some nice luggage. It did get extremely scratched up with only one trip. Kind of bummed about that, but it still looks nice. And I think I could buff it out with the magic eraser. Got Nolan's and I've got Brian's. And both of them fit perfectly in one side, which is going to be really just shoes and a hat because I have the toiletries on my side. Now I do know that Nolan's definitely going to purchase some stuff, so I know we'll end up using the side when we pack it to go back. The kid buys a sweatshirt everywhere he goes, so this side is pretty much empty, and that's honestly the way I like to pack for most trips. We are ready to go. We leave in a couple of hours. Nolan is still at school. He has football practice. Then we're going to go right on the plane. Of course, we are flying Delta, so we'll get to go in the Delta Sky Lounge thanks to our American Express Platinum card, which the best part about that is we don't have to spend any money at the airport. Because let's face it, you go to the airport, you're spending money on food, maybe you're spending money on drinks. We don't have to do that, so we know that's going to be easy. Okay, so let's get Brian in here. Brian, come on down. Here's your suitcase.
Thanks, babe. It's all packed.
Only half of it is full.
Really?
There's a packing cube on one side, and then I've got Nolan's shoes and Nolan's hat, and that's it.
Pretty good. Maybe I'll buy some hoodies.
I already talked about that.
Yeah, don't tell me what
Nolan
I
and
know
his
about that.
hoodies.
But yeah, I can't wait to have you all go with us to Phoenix, and I hope you guys enjoy our adventure.
If you're not subscribed already, please subscribe. We post videos twice a week, including how-tos, and bring you along on every trip. We will see y'all in Phoenix.
Thank you all.
Bye.